Second question is, I hate being called handsome and smart. The reason why I hate being called that is because it's not the truth. I can accept, I can yet accept the past. In the past, I've been called stupid and ugly, and they were right. I can't even think about any good traits in me. I just don't know what to do, and I just need some kind words to help me. So the first thing that I encourage you to think about is, again, you got to change your mindset. You are letting negativity win. You're letting negativity creep into your life, and now it has a hold on you. You have to break that cycle. And right now, I'm going to tell you how to break the cycle. You got to stop letting what other people tell you control your thoughts, control your emotions. They ruin your day. You cannot let anybody else tell you how you are but yourself. Don't give anybody else the power to hurt you or to tell you that you can't do anything, that you're a loser, that you're a failure. Nobody can tell you that but yourself. They can tell you it, but it's up to you to believe it, and now it's manifested. See, most of the times with bullies is that they're telling you this, and if you're confident, if you got self-love, it's just gonna deflect. But if you let it creep into you, and if you let that become your dominant attitude, your dominant mental, it's going to manifest, and then you're going to start to feel bad. You're going to start to feel down. You're going to start to feel lonely. You're going to let it creep in, and just like that, you've let negativity win. You've let misery win. And everybody will, you will become, you just will constantly keep letting more of it come in. The more you accept negativity, the more you lower your standards, the more they will come in. If you're building yourself up, it won't come. Negativity won't come in because, again, if you're building yourself up, when somebody tells you something like that, as I said before, once you got that shield of self-love, when somebody tells you something like that, you can easily deflect it. But if you have no defense system and somebody tells you something negative, you're just going to let it seep into your heart. You're going to believe it. And now you're going to be at rock bottom again. But you got to be able to break the cycle. So how do you break the cycle? As I said before, get sleep, meditate, and get off your phone and find who you truly are, what makes you happy, so that when somebody else tells you something about yourself, you know that that's a lie. So it doesn't even affect you. It's not about looks. Who cares about that? It's about what's in here. People always project how they feel about the world to you. They want to share their pain with you. Don't give them that power. You have to stop giving these people the power to affect your day, to ruin your day. Because once they do, again, they're going to keep coming back because they're miserable inside, and they might see something special in you. And that's the thing. There is something special about you that they see that they do not want you to tap into. So they bully you. They tell you negative things. They tell you that you can't do it because they can't do it themselves. You got to be your own. You have to be your own hype man. You got to be able to tell yourself that you can do it day in and day out. And nobody can tell you any different because their opinion does not matter. Do you think they're going home and thinking about you? They're not thinking about you. But you're taking that home and you're living with that. So those negative things that you keep feeding yourself is only going to hurt you. You got to be able to love yourself. You got to be able to be within yourself. You have to be able to love you for you. And you can only do that. I can't tell you. You know how to do it. I've told you this. Sleep, meditate, read, get outside and turn off your phone. Write down how you feel. Crumble it up, burn it up, whatever you need to do. But until you get to that point, you're never going to be able to strive for anything. You're never going to be able to have self-worth or self-love if you keep, again, letting somebody who you don't even like affect your day. Got to be able to build up that shield.